It started with a dream and a vision of a faraway, far-flung place at the edge of the map. A small idea many years ago that gradually grew. First expressed through a love of imagery and a deep and a desperate desire to explore this land through imagery.
Found it.
It rapidly became a story of seeing others seeing the Arctic for the first time.
Right there.
Inspiring wonder in them and seeing the magic and the light in their eyes, the same way that I did when I saw it for the first time. Why do I like the cold? I wish I could tell you. Unfortunately, it's a bit like philosophy. The bizarre element of the whole thing is that we get to the things that we like, but we're not necessarily able to explain why we like them. There's a gentle melancholy, gentle way of life on board a ship, which I think is irreplicable anywhere else. There's a concept about sailing which basically allows us to travel in a simpler form. It allows us to slow down. Sailing is poetry in motion.
Yeah, again.
It should help us and allow us to, perhaps even force us to turn inward. We see more with less. And somehow, every year, I find myself realizing how much more I still have to learn and how much more I still have to build and to create. So that's the best we can do.